Two federal agencies, the Food and Drug Administration and the Federal Trade Commission, sent warning letters to vaping companies over concerns that their products are illegally marketed to children. Welcome back to What's Trending. I'm Martine Bierman. Make sure to subscribe for more social media news every single day. The letter from the FDA to companies like Candy Co. e-liquids says that their products contain labeling and/or advertising that causes them to imitate food products, particularly ones that are marketed towards and/or appealing to children. And a quick look at the packaging confirms it's specifically designed to imitate candy and juice. The product, one Mad Hit from the company Mad Hatter Juice, appears pretty egregious in its resemblance to a treetop apple juice box for kids. And these products aren't particularly new either. Reviews for One Mad Hit, for example, go back to 2016, and the critics aren't shocked at the similarity to kids' products.
How about them apples? You have a straw. And then on the straw it says, no straw needed because this juice doesn't suck.
The box even says things like, a juice box a day keeps the doctor away. Though the nutritional facts are obviously honest that the product contains nicotine and no real apples. FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb is pretty passionate about this issue. He told reporters, you look at the lollipop, for example. I don't see how my 4 or 5-year-old doesn't look at that and then see a lollipop. It's a lollipop. That product, by the way, the Twirly Pop, comes with a real lollipop when you buy it. Other products targeted by the FDA are Vape Ads Sour Smurf sauce, Candy King sour worms, whipped strawberry, pink sticks, and vanilla cookies and milk, which, come on, looks just like a box of Nilla wafers or golden Oreos. Which, at first, looking at it, I think looks kind of cute. But then, if you think about it, that is exactly what kids are drawn to. Jameson Rogers, VP of Business Development for the company that makes One Mad Hit, said the products are not intended for children. He told NPR, we definitely didn't intend to position it as a product that would appeal to anybody who wasn't of legal smoking age. Sure, because no cigarette company has ever done an ad that appeals to everyone who may possibly have some extra cash in their pocket. And Nick Warrender, the owner of Lifted Liquids, said the Vape Ads product was designed to play to adults' nostalgia for sour warheads. He also says that they've taken steps to address the packaging because they've continually now seen it as a problem. If you have a product and you want to market it, you understandably want to make it as appealing as possible to as many people as possible. And I don't know about you, but if I see something sweet on the shelf at the supermarket in bright colors, that's the first thing my eye catches and the first thing I go to. But unfortunately in this instance, it's the same situation for kids. Of course, they want to go towards the bright juice box, which they know from home, or the cookie which their mom puts in their lunchbox. So then to dress a product up in bright colors and make it something visually appealing to kids is dangerous, so I'm really glad that this is being addressed. Now, despite a move several years back to make packaging more child-resistant, experts say liquid nicotine exposure still poses a risk to kids.
Why Children's Hospital says from 2012 to 2017, there was an average of 4 calls a day to poison control centers about nicotine exposure. Some children suffered seizures, comas, and 1 child died.
Though there's no evidence that any of the products mentioned were responsible for making children sick, experts say it doesn't take much ingested vape liquid to cause respiratory arrest or seizures in children. I mean, they're kind of poisonous to anyone if swallowed, but children are the ones most likely to see these packages and think they're a drinkable candy. What do you guys think? Have e-juice companies been able to just run wild with their marketing? Let us know in the comments. And for more trends, head to whatstrending.com.